What's up? All right, so I just got back from washing that. I actually took that to the car wash the other day, but we've got ourselves still a mess. I might take this to the car wash, but first I actually need to pull this over and check my power steering. I think I may have lost a little bit of fluid out of there. Hopefully I didn't blow anything, but it looks like it's got a lot of oil-ish stuff in there. So anyways, we're going to pull this over. We're gonna pop the hood, and then we are going to see if we can hold on just a sec. I gotta get into this bad boy. Oh, okay, we got her. All right, so we're gonna pull this over, pop the hood, and we're gonna check the power steering fluid. This power steering fluid thing, it's got a assist on it, and so I think on this assist, it basically the hydraulic assist. Sorry, that's what I'm talking about. I think that it's got a little extender, kind of makes it stick up a little bit farther. But it's really hard to turn this steering wheel here. But like I said, that's what we're doing. We're gonna go test it out. So stay tuned. I'll pop the hood. We'll look down into the reservoir, see how much fluid we've got, and then if we're low, oh come on, whoa, if we're low, we'll put some in. And then we'll go drive around and test it out. Oh, geez. Let's see here. All right. So we still got the belt. That's good. Right, it's kind of a good sign there. Got the belt. All right. Oh yeah. Look at that. Seems fairly low. We're gonna add to that. See if that makes a difference on us steering. All right, folks. I done topped off some power steering fluid. So let's go see if this. Oh, let's go see if that helped. I don't think that helped. Uh-oh. So we are going to have to figure out why my power steering doesn't work. All right, folks. I have no idea what. No idea what's going on with my power steering, but it don't want to work. So just refreshed it, not leaking any. Still might be the pump. It's not really cooperating. That might be bad. I don't know how to check those. I'm gonna go to Google and I'm gonna see if there's anything I can do to check, see if that's actually bad. I don't know why gearbox, but I know sometimes when the power steering is going out, it's like, but it's not doing any of that. So I'm gonna recheck the fluid here real quick. any joints. I mean, that's leaking, but that's not to the power steering. I don't know. We'll figure it out. If I figure it out, I'll let you know. That's it. I'm not gonna film much more. I was gonna go wash it, but I don't know. I can't hardly even turn the damn corners. I left some air out of the tires while we were mudding, so I do have some low, big tires, but I don't think that's the problem. So, I don't know.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.